Welcome to Bismarck State College. Whether you're looking to start something new, finish what you started, or level up your skills, you're in the right place. We know going back to school can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. At BSC, you are part of Mystic Nation. As an online student, you have access to the same support as our on-campus students. You can utilize free tutoring, academic advising, career counseling, and join our vibrant student community. From theaters to athletics to student clubs and events, you can experience everything BSC has to offer. Ready to jump right in? Check out our tutorial videos, which walk you through how to get started at BSC. We cover everything from applying to BSC, filling out your FAFSA and BSC scholarship application, to registering for classes. Our tutorials will make sure you start off on the right foot with the right tools. Still deciding on your program? That's okay. Browse our 100+ career pathways in energy, health sciences, cybersecurity, manufacturing, agriculture, business, graphic design, the arts, and more. With seamless transfer options and online, on-campus, or FlexStart class formats, BSC makes it easy to find the right program for the right career. Once you've applied to BSC, you'll have access to academic advising and career counseling to help you feel confident in your choice and build a class schedule that meets your needs. And don't forget, we're here every step of the way. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email. Because at Bismarck State College, you get the right degree with the right support, right where you need it.